Welcome to the lecture series of Engineering Mathematics 1. Today we are going to discuss about multiple integrals. The first topic under this, double integrals. Look at the first question. Evaluate double integral 0 to a and 0 to b x square plus y square dx dy. Here first we have to integrate with respect to x and then integration with respect to y. For the x, okay, the limit is 0 to b, and for the y the limit is 0 to a. So first we will take the given integral as I is equal to, integral first letter is I, so we can take this given one as I is equal to double integral 0 to a and 0 to b x square plus y square dx dy. First we are supposed to integrate with respect to x. So integral 0 to a x square integration is x cube by 3. Integration with respect to x, in that case we have to treat the y as a constant, so keep y square as it is. Integration of dx is only x with the limit 0 to b into dy. So now we are going to apply the limit for x. So integral 0 to a b cube by 3 plus y square into b. This is upper limit, minus lower limit is 0, so we can get totally 0 into dy. So now we are going to integrate with respect to y. So b cube by 3 plus y square b into dy. Okay. So b cube by 3 is a constant, so only we can get b cube by 3 into dy. Integral dy is y with the limit 0 to a, plus b is a constant, integration of y square is y cube by 3 with the limit 0 to a. So now we are going to apply the limit. So b cube by 3 a minus 0, upper limit minus lower limit, here b by 3 into a cube minus 0. So a b cube by 3 plus b a cube by 3. Okay. In both the term commonly we can take ab by 3 outside. So here we can get only b square and here we can get a square. So we can write this as a square plus b square. So our answer is I is equal to, the given integral answer is ab by 3 into a square plus b square. This is the answer for the first question. Look at the next question. Evaluate double integral 2 to b and 2 to a dx dy divided by xy. So look at the solution. We will take the given integral as I is equal to double integral 2 to b and 2 to a dx dy divided by xy. First integration with respect to x. In that case we have to treat the 1 by y as a constant. So 2 to b 1 by y, integration of 1 by x is log x with the limit 2 to a into dy. Limit for x. So integral 2 to b 1 by y log a minus log 2 into dy. Okay. So this can be written as integral 2 to b 1 by y into log a by 2, log a minus log b, okay, into dy. Now integration with respect to y, so we can take this as a constant, so we can take outside log a by 2 into integral 2 to b 1 by y into dy. 1 by y integration is log y, so this can be written as log a by 2 into integration of this log y with the limit 2 to b. So log of a by 2 log b minus log 2, upper limit minus lower limit. So this can be written as log b by 2. Okay. So now this is of the form log a into log b. Log a into log b can be written as log a plus b. So this can be written as log a plus b by 2. So this is the answer for our given integration. Look at the third question. Evaluate integral 0 to a and integral 0 to root of a square minus x square dy dx. Here integration first with respect to y, then x. So look at the solution. Let I is equal to, given 0 to a and 0 to root of a square minus x square dy dx. So integral 0 to a, integration dy is y with the limit 0 to root of a square minus x square into dx. So upper limit minus lower limit. So this can be written as 0 to a root of a square minus x square minus lower limit is 0 into dx. So which is equal to integral 0 to a root of a square minus x square into dx. This is a formula actually. Root of a square minus x square is nothing but x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a, 0 to a. This is a formula, root of a square minus x square, integral root of a square minus x square dx. Result is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a with the limit 0 to a. Here limit for x, the upper limit is a. When you are applying the upper limit, a square minus a square, 0 into anything 0. So the first value will become 0 plus here it will become as a square by 2 sine inverse of a by a, that is 1. So this is our upper limit minus lower limit is 0. So when you are applying 0 here, 0 into anything 0 plus a square by 2 sine inverse of 0, that is also 0. So this is our lower limit. So the answer is sine square by 2 sine inverse of 1. Okay. Sine 1, sine pi by 2 equal to 1. So what is pi by 2? Sine inverse of 1. So instead of this sine inverse of 1, we can write this as a square by 2 into pi by 2, that is pi a square by 4. So the answer of the given integral I is equal to pi a square by 4. Look at the next question. Evaluate double integral 4 to 3 1 to 2 x plus y power minus 2 dx dy. So the solution is, let I is equal to double integral 4 to 3 and 1 to 2 x plus y power minus 2 dx dy. This minus 2 can be written as 1 by, you can write the same question as 1 by x plus y power 2. Both the type is similar only. Either they can ask like this or this. Both are same. Okay. So now we are going to integrate this. When you are integrating, the power will increasing. When you are differentiating, the power will decrease. Okay. So when you are integrating here, this will become as minus 1 plus 1. So that the answer will become as minus 1. So first we have to integrate with respect to x. So 4 to 3 x plus y power minus 2. So x plus y power minus 1 divided by minus 1 into what? Into dy with the limit 1 to 2. Is it clear? X plus y power minus 2. Integration of this is x plus y power minus 1 by minus 1 with the limit 1 to 2 into dy. Now we can take the minus outside. So integral 4 to 3 x plus y power minus 1 with the limit 1 to 2 into dy. Here the limit for x. So 2 plus y power minus 1, this is upper limit, minus lower limit is 1. So 1 plus y power minus 1 into dy. Okay. So this can be written as integral 4 to 3 1 by 2 plus y minus 1 by 1 plus y into dy. 1 by x integration is log x. So this can be written as minus log of 2 plus y minus log of 1 plus y with the limit 4 to 3. Okay. Now we are going to apply the limit. Here the upper limit is 3 and lower limit is 4. When you are applying the upper limit, log 2 plus 3, that is 5, log 5 minus 3, 1 plus 3, 4. So log 4. This is what our upper limit, minus lower limit is 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6. Log 6 minus log 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. So now minus, this can be written as log 5 by 4. Log A minus log B. So log of 5 by 4, and this can be written as log of 6 by 5. Again we can apply that log A minus log B. Okay. So again this can be written as minus of log of 5 by 4 by 6 by 5. Okay. So this can be written as minus log of 5 by 4 into 5 by 6, that is equal to minus log of 5 into 5, 25 by 24. So the answer for the given integration is minus log 25 by 24. So this is the answer for the given integration. Thank you for watching.